Today we talk about how can you disable profile likes on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just come here to profile likes, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my profile likes, this notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.